so how will this election impact the stock market? Is there anything significant? Is it the same as the 2016 election that the markets rallied after it? Check this video out. Hey guys, so this is Marvin Grimo. I'm on my way home from San Francisco after that almost a month long US trip. This is my wife. She doesn't want to be part of the camera. She doesn't want to be part of the video. I don't know why. Nagtat tumatago siya for this video. But anyways, by the time this video will probably be out, either the elections are over or the elections are currently ongoing, or the count for whoever will win will be going on. I just want to talk about a couple of things. Number one, I got a lot of questions asking, will this be like the same elections like 2016, where after the presidential elections came out, the market started zooming? Here's the thing, though. Vis-a-vis this election versus 2016, this is not a presidential election. The statistics that have been brought out that the market normally would go up after an election is basically more on presidential elections. That's when probably new policies would be brought out. That's why you have to remember, from Aquino to where we are right now, there's a big shift in policy. Also, there's a big shift on uh, direction in terms of economy, in terms of construction. You have to remember, from Aquino's time, most construction projects were mostly PPPs, versus now they're doing a combination of PPP and ODAs, where they would carry out loans from Japan, China, and other governments at lower rates. Also, there's some tweaks in policies and shifts in direction. That's why people peg the presidential elections more than senatorial elections, because this one is just more for continuity of what's currently happening. So in terms of will this be a a a massive move for the markets after? Maybe not. Of course, you can underpin things that markets could still go up, but it's not a major catalyst. But I made a video prior to this. I think it was a few weeks back, saying that one of the things that could push markets higher, it could be after the elections. Uh, it could be because people are also waiting for the people are also wait and see mode. They're waiting for catalysts. But you have to understand, if I'll try to weigh things properly, you have two positive reports leading up to the election. Number one is lower inflation. Number two is the S&P upgrade. But you also have one negative inkling, where the GDP was lower than what was expected. So, putting things into consideration, if whoever wins is what the market accepts it to be, and I don't know who the market wants to win, you could see the market move higher. But underpinning what we've been seeing now, I don't think it's a really strong catalyst yet to see if it's that legit, if it's that cohesive as what we want it to be. But if it does, and if it actually happens, it has to still break out of the 8,100 resistance. You have to remember, at the end of the day, we're still bound by support and resistances. We're still bound by range movements that failure to break out of the 8,100 resistance will result in us still moving sideways, and that's what we've been. We have not been going anywhere over the past few months already. We've just been consolidating because we've already moved up from a significant high, and there's nothing, and I've been saying this over and over and over and over, there's nothing quite significant that will push the markets to go at a much higher pace, unless you have the big five, the 45% of the index, AC, Ali, SM Prime, and BDO, disclose relatively game-changing results that will cause people to buy at a higher pace. But barring that from happening, barring anything that will cause people to get excited, barring removal of the jitters in foreign markets, and barring a lot of foreign funds must buy into our markets to see it move higher. So without that happening, I can't really expect the markets to go up as well. So just to end this video, we're about to land right now. Support is 7.5, strong support. Resistance is at 8.1. You have a midterm support at the 7,800 level. So I guess that's as basic as how it will go, and that's how you could segment your plan as well. You trade based on what the market is presenting. My suggestion is you trade based on range, based on direction. That if it's sideways, you just keep on buying as close as you can to the support levels and keep on trading and selling at the resistance. If you are investing, always go for value or use this opportunity where the market is still consolidating as an area for you to add some more, and it will always be underpinned by the 8-1 resistance. Breakout of that will cause our markets to go at a much higher pace. So I guess that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless.